Right, let's move straight to trade management. This is the current 1 hour chart. We have had that revised. Yesterday we were going to wait for correction all the way to 0.93 and 0.96. We're gonna get that correction, but before we get that correction, we have a move now, a bounce. We're having, of course, very strong move ups in all cryptocurrencies. There is a bounce at top of one here inside of this ending diagonal. Okay, so actually current market at 1.02 is a buy. The stop is 0.9. 0.9 is just around level 2. You could take that to 0.86 if you wish, below that neckline. Stop is 0.9, and we are going to 1.15 with 5. The importance of getting in this trade is that if Bitcoin and Ethereum break out suddenly higher, we've already been talking about this, you're going to 61,000 and 67,000 and 4,000 and for Ethereum, then of course this is going to break out higher. There is an estimate for this at $13. Okay, so we want to get into this trade, all right, maybe hold it, okay, just in case there's that sudden break. If there's not that sudden break, I don't know how we can tell seriously, but if there's not that sudden break, there's going to be a correction as anticipated on this 4 hour chart. We're going back to 96. We buy half size, double at 0.77. We're off, of course, to 1.3. And at least the first neckline here, we already did this yesterday. So the only development is that there could be a breakout higher. We want to buy that half size at 1.02. All right, because we could actually go all the way to 1.7 and break the market high on positive fundamentals. We can still get that 1.02. This is what we're seeing now live on the market. So if you were trading Ripple, all right, it looks like there's gonna be a breakout higher before we expect. That's the fundamental take on it anyway. This is a wave 3. There's a 4A, 4B. This is gonna be a 4C, I think. Should be seeing 1.02, 1.03. It's a buy with a stop at 0.9, I believe, and 0.85. We would want to leave target open going into the weekend. After the weekend, we could consider to take target at 1.15. All right. Okay, so I believe we have come to an end of analysis and questions, hopefully. We're also out of time, probably, too. So if you have any other issue, any question that you wish reviewed or revised, we will just take a very quick look at this and be done. All right, so if you have any questions or any issues that you wish just reviewed very quickly. Okay, so there doesn't seem to be anything left out. Okay, great. All right. Okay, so remember, tomorrow is an important day for the dollar. I believe everybody actually believes there's going to be a good or somewhat stable dollar, so we want to be on the right side of this by buying into dollar strengths at least, okay, and closing out any dollar shorts that we have. Maybe that's of course our take on it. All cryptocurrencies are going up. We are buying actually really internal negative corrective cycles on the 5 minutes and 15-minute charts, all right, 5 and 15-minute charts, all right, and try to get trigger signals out of the 1 minute and 5 minute charts as we had shown earlier. Bitcoin in particular, it's very important to try, and I think it's quite important to try to get in a swing position, a good swing position at 52,000 levels all the way down to 51,000 levels. We're looking at 52,300, 51,300, and even 50,700. We want to hold that with a stop at 49. We could actually see it go up to 67,000 at least. All right, so it's really been great having everyone with us as always and as usual. We look forward to be all together again tomorrow. Take very good care of yourselves. I wish the very, very best of good health and good wealth to everyone. Take good care and good night. Goodbye.